In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Slack on mobile using a QR code. If you're already signed into Slack on your computer, this is one of the fastest ways to get into the mobile app without typing your workspace details or going through a longer sign-in process. It's simple, secure, and especially helpful when you're switching devices and want to get started quickly. One important thing to remember is that the QR code is temporary and single use, so don't take a screenshot of it or share it on an insecure screen. To begin, go to your computer and open Slack in the desktop app or in a browser, as long as you're already signed in. Once Slack is in front of you, look to the far left sidebar and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on your profile picture to open the account menu. When that menu appears, choose the option that says Sign in on mobile. This will open the tool that connects your desktop session to your phone. A new window will appear in the center of your screen with the title Sign in on mobile device. In that window, Slack will automatically generate a QR code. Leave this window open and visible on your screen because your phone will need to scan it. Try not to minimize it or switch away from it until the sign-in is complete. Next, pick up your phone and make sure it's connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the Slack app on your iPhone or Android device. On the first screen, tap Sign In. After that, you'll see different sign-in options. Choose Sign In with QR code. This tells the app that you want to use your desktop session to authenticate your mobile device. If Slack asks for permission to use your camera, allow it. That's required so the app can scan the code from your computer screen. Now point your phone's camera at the QR code on your desktop. Try to center the code clearly in the frame and hold your phone steady for a second or two. The app should recognize it almost immediately. Once the scan is successful, Slack will begin signing you in automatically. You may briefly see a loading screen while it verifies your session and loads your workspaces and channels. After that, you'll be taken straight into the Slack